So good afternoon, all of you. Let me start. So yesterday we have see the concept about this application of differential equation. We have see the first application, orthogonal trajectory. In that we have see that two types. One is a Cartesian and second is a polar coordinate. If the term is in Cartesian, then we are just replaced by just first step form a differential equation. Second step, dy by dx equal to minus dx by dy. If polar form, then we replace dr by deta is equal to minus r square d theta by dr. Okay, and then next step we are solve this above equation by using method of solving differential equation by using either variable, homogeneous, non-homogeneous, exact, reduced to exact, or linear. Okay, any method that we are suitable. So we see the first application. Now we see the second application, Newton's law of cooling. Second application you will see. Newton's law of cooling. Okay, anybody what is Newton's law of cooling? Already at the starting of our introductory lecture of mathematics in the I think in the month of January or February. I do not remember. I think January. It's something 18th January, 18 or 20 January. In that we have seen that this Newton's law of cooling. We have seen the statement. We have seen that example. Same concept we are using here. Same. Okay. Just we have solved the two example, and then we stop for this Newton's law of cooling. Same the concept of the physics. So what is the Newton's law of cooling? Yes. What is Newton's law of cooling?
Rate of fall of temperature of body is directly proportional to excessive temperature of the body over the surrounding.
Okay. It's not excessive actually all the time. It's actually the directly proportional to the two quantity. Directly proportional to the. So what is the two quantity? What is the two parameter? One parameter is temperature of body itself, temperature of the body, temperature of the temperature of the particle, temperature of the material, whatever we are kept. Okay. So that particular thing, when you kept in other medium, means outside medium, whether it is a room temperature, whether it is surrounding medium temperature, whether it is a what do you say that anything that we know. Okay, so that is two directly proportional. One is what temperature of particle, and second is temperature of surrounding. Temperature of these both quantities directly proportional. So that is the Newton's law of cooling. Means suppose obviously suppose one body whose temperature is -4 degree. One body, one particular thing whose temperature is -4 degree. Then kept in outside medium where the temperature is suppose 20 degrees centigrade, plus 20 degrees centigrade. Then there are some effect on this temperature of that particular thing from the surrounding medium. So whether the temperature is increased, whether the temperature is decreased, we are check. Okay. So that thing we have studied in this Newton's law of cooling. So right on the first of all statement, the temperature of the body of body changes at a rate which is proportional to the difference in temperature between that of the surrounding medium that of surrounding medium and that of body itself. That of body itself. Suppose we are note this something, let T0 is the temperature of surrounding medium, temperature of surrounding, and capital T is the temperature of, okay, instead of this capital T or T0 we can take theta and theta 0, okay, is the temperature of body, temperature of the body at any time T. Then dt by small t is directly proportional to t minus t0. So that equal to what? dt by dt is equal to minus k times t minus t0. So why we added the t? Sorry, why we added the minus k? Why we add the minus k? Where k is a constant of proportionality.
Decrease होते मग.
Yes. Yes. Huh? A negative sign because as time increases, as time, that is small t, increases, your capital T, temperature, that is a capital T, decrease. Sometimes it is negative. Okay, that's why we add the minus sign. Okay, so sometimes we note this alternative way, just a change of notation, nothing else. Just a change of notation. Just a change of notation. Is d theta by dt is directly proportional to theta minus theta 0. That is d theta by dt is equal to minus k times theta minus theta 0. Okay, that's the change. Aditya Gokhale, please rename yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now we see some example on this Newton's law of cooling. This statement is the temperature of the body changes at rate which is proportional to the difference in temperature between that of surrounding medium and that of body itself. Okay, so this is the statement. Actually, we are just denote that T0. Yes, Vaishnavi. Yes, Vaishnavi, any problem? Okay, so now we just see the example on this. झालं का सगळ्यांचं लिहून स्टेटमेंट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभिजीत देखने, रोल नंबर 18. अभिजीत देखने, रोल नंबर 18. Yes. Abhijit Dekne, are you there? Abhijit Dekne, are you there? Roll number 18, Abhijit Dekne, are you there? Roll number 18, Abhijit Dekne, are you there? 18 नंबर लास्ट कॉल आहे, तुम्ही तिथे आहात का? नाही तर रिमूव्ह करेल कायमचं. Okay, I will remove your. Okay. So we all see that. Yes, Yash, what would you ask? Yash.
तर म्हणजे इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये तुझं काय ऍड आहे का होतं असं म्हणतो.
ऍड नाही रे, न्यूटन लॉ तो लॉ सारखाच की रे. तू कुठे इंजिनिअरिंगला वापरा, फिजिक्सला वापरा किंवा आर्ट्सला वापरा किंवा कुठेही वापरा, लॉ सेमच असणार ना. जे ते आपापल्या पद्धतीने पॅरामीटर बदलतात ना. आपल्याला सपोज न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ कुलिंग हा माहिती आहे, ऍप्लिकेशन कुठे माहिती का? मेडिकल फील्ड मध्ये ऍप्लिकेशन आहे याचं. म्हणजे बाबा एखादा व्यक्ती जर एक्सपायर झालं, एखादं जर प्राणी एक्सपायर झालं, त्या प्राण्याच्या त्या बॉडीच्या टेम्परेचरवरनं प्रोबॅबली ठरवलं जातं की तो किती वाजता एक्सपायर झाला असेल, किती वाजता प्रोबॅबली. तर अप्रॉक्सिमेटली सांगतात ते, हा माणूस 11 ते 11:15 दरम्यान एक्सपायर झाला असावा. दॅट इज यूज ऑफ दॅट मेडिकल फील्ड. ऍक्च्युली मला एवढं डिटेलमध्ये माहित नाहीये की बाबा ते कसं यूज केलं तर कसं काढलं जातं, पण मी पाहिलेलं आहे, ऐकलेलं आहे की त्या ठिकाणी वापरलं जातं न्यूटन्स लॉ. एक्झॅक्टली एवढं डिटेलमध्ये मी जाऊन स्टडी केलेलं नाहीये त्या ठिकाणी. लॉ सेमच आहे, फक्त या ठिकाणी काय बदललंय, फक्त नोटेशन बदलले बा, दुसरं काही नाहीये. ओके. Hello.
Okay.
Okay, so just we are start the example. We are just solving the example. Write on the example. So first example, write down. At a room temperature of 25 degrees centigrade, 25 degree centigrade. -25 degrees centigrade. The temperature of a body is 75 after 15 minutes, after 15 seconds, sorry, after 15 seconds, the temperature of the body was found to be 65 degrees centigrade. Find the temperature after 90 seconds. And the temperature of the body after 90 seconds. Okay. So this is actually question. What is the question? At the room temperature of a 25 degrees centigrade, temperature of the body is 75 degrees centigrade. After 15 seconds, the temperature of the body was found 65 degrees centigrade. Then find the temperature after, find its temperature after 60 seconds. Find its temperature after 60 seconds. That's the better word. Okay. So solution. We just solve this question. Just a solution. Just see, very simple. Very simple. Just we have solved this question. झाले सगळ्यांचा question? Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
कोणी काढलंय का? कोणी सॉल्व केलंय का? Okay. So just we are write down that question. Important thing is what is given, which quantity is given. That parameter is very important. So first of all, we'll note that let T0 be the temperature with the room temperature, be the room temperature with the room temperature. TB, capital T with the temperature of the body So just we are note that by Newton's law of cooling, with the temperature of the body at with the temperature of the body at small t second, that time. Okay. So by Newton's law of cooling, we get D capital T divided by dt is equal to minus k times capital T minus T0. Okay, just simplify this term. So we got the dt by T minus T0. This is variable separable minus k dt. Give us equation number 1. Now we check given data. So what is the given data? गिवन डेटा. What T0? T0 काय म्हणलं आपण? टेम्परेचर ऑफ रूम. What is T0?
25 degrees centigrade.
25 degree centigrade. Very good. Then initially T is equal to 0. T equal to 0 असताना तुमचं टेम्परेचर ऑफ बॉडी किती असणार आहे? कॅपिटल T
75 degrees.
75 दिलेलं आहे. ओके, दॅट इज 75 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. देन आफ्टर काय म्हटलंय ते? आफ्टर 15 सेकंद मीन्स टी इज इक्वल टू कितीचा इंटरव्हल झाला? 15चा. आफ्टर 15 सेकंद व्हॉट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द बॉडी?
65 degrees.
65 degree centigrade. What do you calculate? What do you calculate? We are asked to calculate small t is equal to 90.
90 seconds.
After 90 seconds, what is the temperature? That's the question mark that we ask. So हे जे लिहिलंय हे खूप महत्वाचं आहे. ओके, हे जे लिहिलंय हे खूप महत्वाचं आहे. ओके, आता पहा इथपर्यंत कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का?
No, sir.
इथपर्यंत कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम?
No, sir.
ओके, सो इक्वेशन 1 बिकम्स, पहा बरं का मी काय म्हणतोय ते. इक्वेशन 1 बिकम्स, याचे दोन टप्पे पाडणार आहे आपण. पहिल्यांदा के अननोन आहे तो काढायचा आहे आणि नंतर टी काढायचा आहे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डी टी डिवायडेड बाय टी मायनस टी झिरो. टी झिरो किती रे? 25
25.
is equal to minus k dt. So okay, so integrating, because it is variable separable, so directly integrate dt divided by t minus 25. इंटिग्रेशन आपण या ठिकाणी आता काढणार नाहीये, तर चेक करा फक्त मी काय करतोय. स्मॉल टी इथं रनिंग काय होतोय? स्मॉल टी इथं रनिंग होतोय कॅपिटल टी. सो कॅपिटल टी रन होतोय आणि इथं स्मॉल टी रन होतोय. चला, स्मॉल टी मध्ये बेसिक कुठून स्टार्ट होतोय? कुठून कुठे इंटरव्हल जातोय? कुठून कुठे इंटरव्हल जातोय?
0 to 90.
0 to 90. 0 to 19 चे जे इंटरव्हल आहे त्याचे किती पार्ट मध्ये डिवाइड होत आहेत? पहिल्यांदा 0 to 15 आणि 15 to 90. मग घेताना आपण काय घेणार आहे? 0 to 15, 0 to 90 असे घेणार आहे. मग पहिल्यांदा टी इज इक्वल टू 0 असताना तुमचा कॅपिटल टी किती झाला?
75.
ओके, 75. नंतर टी इज इक्वल टू 15 असताना तुमचा स्मॉल कॅपिटल टी किती झाला?
65.
65.
दॅट्स अवर क्वेश्चन. म्हणजे हा पहिल्यांदा आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करून घेणार आहे. लिमिट कसं लिहिलं प्रत्येकाला कळालं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just now we just solved this integration. We got the integration. What is the integration of this? Log of no power. It's wrong one. I think so. It's wrong one power. Log of t minus 25. Okay, in the interval 75 to 65 is equal to minus k times small t, the integration. T is equal to 0 to 15. Now we know that how to put that what do you say, that upper limit and lower limit. First of all upper limit and secondly lower limit. So log of 65 minus 25 minus lower limit log of 75 minus 25 is equal to minus k times 15 minus 0. So what do you get the answer? 65 minus 25 किती रे?
40.
40.
40 minus log of 75 minus 25
50.
50.
50.
50.
50.
Okay, minus 15k. Now just you have simplified this term. Simplify this term. We got just use the property of logarithm. What is the property of logarithm? Log of 4 by 5 is equal to minus 15k. So what is the value of k? Minus 1 upon 15 log of 4 by 5. Just calculate ln. Do not use the log. Ln to the base e and use totally calculator. Okay, clear everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is your first question, MCQ. This is your first question. Find a k. This is your first question. Find k. Second question, if k is given, if all this quantity given, then find जे आता मी कॅल्क्युलेट करणार ते. कोणाला काय अडचण आहे का याच्यामध्ये?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
No, sir.
We go to the next page. Okay. Now आता पुढचं लिमिट for t is equal to 0, your capital T is equal to 75. Am I right? For t is equal to 0, your capital T is equal to what? 75
75.
म्हणजे इंटरवल पुढचा पहिला 0 to 15 आणि 15 to 19 म्हणजे 0 to 15 आणि 0 to 90 पुढचा फॉर t is equal to 90 we find the capital T त्याला आपण कॅपिटल T नच म्हणूया that the value is capital T. So equation 1 becomes equation 1 काय होतोय equation 1 becomes just wait for one just wait just wait. I think so that answer is also wrong one. I think so. I don't because the 75 to 65. Okay, that answer is I think wrong one. Just we check whether our answer is right or have to check. Okay, so integration. इथे काय dt by t minus 25. इथे काय minus k times dt. So here t is equal to 0 to 90 जातोय. And capital T is equal to what? 75 to capital T. Okay, so log of T minus 25, 75 to capital T minus K times small t, 0 to 90. Just we have put the each and every value. So log of T च्या ठिकाणी T टाकणार. Log of 70 minus 25 and here is minus 90k. Okay. So you just put the value. So what do you get the answer? Log of t minus 25 divided by 75 minus 25 किती रे?
50.
50 divided by 50 is equal to minus 90k. So what is the value of k? What is the value of k? Minus 1 upon 15
1 upon 90.
15.
log of 4 by 5.
4 by 5.
This minus get cancelled. We are just remaining is log of t minus 25 divided by 50 is equal to 15 90 भागिले 15 किती रे? 6 log of 4 by 5. आता पहा मी सॉल्व कसं करतो ते. आता हा 6 तर डायरेक्टली घेऊ शकत नाही. मला काय करावं लागेल log of t minus 25 divided by 50 is equal to log of 4 by 5 raised to 6. Take antilog on both sides. We got that t minus 25 divided by 50 is equal to 4 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 6. Take calculator. Take calculator. Take calculator. Take calculator and tell me the answer. Take calculator and tell me the answer. Okay, first of all, calculate this one. First of all, tell me the answer of this one. 4 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 6. Calculator वरती घ्या 4 raised to 6. 4 raised to 6 कसं घ्यायचं? 4 into 4 into 6 वेळा
4096.
हा नाही ते टोटल मला आन्सर सांगा ना. 4 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 6 टोटल आन्सर सांगा ना.
0.262.
0.4
0.262.
0.26.
up to 4 decimal 0.26
2621.
1.
21. आता t minus 25 त्याला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करा 50 ने म्हणजे एक शून्य कट झाला. हा चला आन्सर सांगा.
13.105.
13.1072.
13.1072 का 1075?
1072.
72. ओके पुढे 25 प्लस 13 किती रे? 38.1072 approximately. That word is important. Approximately. Clear everyone?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 0.261 है ना sir? 0.26.
ओके ठीक आहे. 0 पॉईंट किती आला मित्र? हा 50 याला मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर 0 तिकडे सरकणार ना रे. हॅलो, whether this answer is correct or not? Whether this answer is correct or not? From my point of view, the answer is correct. Okay. Any problem? There is a network issue from my side. Extremely sorry. झालं बोंबल परत केलं सर. Okay. गेलं सगळं रे मित्रांनो. हा पवन, कुठे चुकलं कळालं का?
हा येस सर, ती 4/5 घेतलं होतं मी, चुकून झालं.
बरं बरं, ओके ओके. घरी सॉल्व्ह करू शकतात. आता तो प्रॉब्लेम तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकतात का? कळालं का? हॅलो,
येस सर.
कळालं ना प्रत्येकाला? कोणाला काय अडचण?
No, sir.
हॅलो,
येस सर कळालं.
ओके, मी सॉल्व्ह करून तुमच्या ग्रुपवर टाकतो. हा
ओके सर.
ओके, नाही तर तुम्ही तुमचं सॉल्व्ह करा, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये. सगळं राहते ते, चॅट राहतं, शेअर स्क्रीन का राहत नाही? मामा झाडून घेताना मागून घेत जाऊ बरं का. आणि 2 दिवसांनी तरी घेत जाऊ मामा. हा, so we have solved the next example detailedly. Okay, just we are give 5 minutes for you. थोडं मनाने प्रयत्न करा, लिहिता येतं का? हा, हॅलो, करताय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so start. दररोज कॉल चालू ना, त्याच्यामुळे काय झालं, पहिले तुमच्यावर मौसम येत नाही का? बस कमी झाली काय? झालंय का रे? हॅलो, झाले का? हॅलो, अरे झालंय का? हॅलो,
Yes, sir.
ओके. Okay, so let's see the second example. Write down second example. During what time will a body heated to 100 degrees centigrade, cool off 30 degrees centigrade if the temperature of the room is 20 degrees centigrade and body cool to 60 degrees centigrade, in first 20 minutes. क्वेश्चन फक्त काय केलाय, उलटा पालटा करून टाकला, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड विचारला नाहीये. आपलं ते सॉल्व्ह करायचं. उलटा पालटा जरी विचारलं तर काय फरक पडतोय. ओके, व्हॉट इज द क्वेश्चन? During what time will a body heated to 100 degrees centigrade cools off to 30 degrees centigrade if the temperature of the room is 20 degrees centigrade and body cooled to 60 degrees centigrade in first 20 minutes. Okay. तुम्हाला सांगा काय विचारले, काय काढायला लावलं रे? काय विचारले आणि काय काढायला लावलंय? Yes. The first line is same. Let T0 is the temperature of surrounding medium. Let T0 be room temperature. Capital T be body temperature. Okay. So by Newton's law of cooling, dt by small t is equal to minus k times t minus t0. So we just write down here dt by t minus t0 is equal to minus k dt, equation number 1. Okay, given data. What T0? What T0? Yes. What T0?
30 degree.
Okay, very good. What
20,
T0?
20.
30 degrees.
20 degree.
20 degrees, not 30. Yes. Now the question is, what is the initial temperature? What you ask, that's the important. What is the initial temperature? Okay, that's why calculate the capital T, small t, capital T, small t. 3 term मध्ये दिला असतं. Capital T, small t. Yes. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the T? What is this quantity?
Sir, first T 100, T small t equal to 0, T equal to 60, small t equal to 20, T equal to 30, and small t equal to question mark.
Okay, just check. During what time will a body heated? During what time? We asked to find time to heated 100 degree to 30 degree. Means you have first of all 100 to 30 we calculate. म्हणजे तुम्हाला जायचं कुठे? First of all, initially small t is equal to 0. We got the temperature 100 degrees centigrade. Next t is equal to what? First 20 minutes मध्ये तो जातोय 100 वरून डायरेक्ट 60. नंतर 60 वरून तो गेला 30 आणि तुम्हाला टी काढायचा आहे. So what is the t? T is a question mark. So just we have got that answer. So equation 1 becomes. So what is equation 1? Just we have put each and every value. We are integrate dt by t minus what is t0 is 20 is equal to integration minus k times dt. T is equal to 0 to 20 and capital T is equal to 100 to 60. So just we have simplified, we got the required answer. Log of 60 minus 20 किती रे? Log of 60 minus 20
40.
T.
and 100 minus 20 4 by 8.
80.
4 by 8 na, I think so. Am I right na? So is equal to minus
Yes.
20k. So we got the answer. K is equal to 1 upon 20, that is a minus log of 1 by 2 or 20 times log of 2. 20 times log of 2. Then next t is equal to capital T is equal to 100, small t is equal to 0, capital T is equal to 30, small t that we calculate, that we written as small t. So just we have put each and every value. We got integration t is equal to 100 to t is equal to 30 dt by t minus 20 minus k times integration t is equal to 0 to that we calculate t dt. Okay. So what do you get that term? What do you get the term? Log of t minus 20, 100 to 30 minus k times t. Got this, sir? Got this, sir? T minus 100 to 30. Okay. So just we got the answer. Just we write down here log of दहा minus log 80 is equal to minus k. What is the k? K is equal to minus 1 upon 20. So minus 1 upon 20 log of 1 by 2 into small t. Just simplify, we got the answer. Log of 1 by 8 minus plus 1 upon 20 log 1 by 2 into t. Now just simplification. कुठलं सोपं पडतं रे? 20 ला इकडे घेणं सोपं पडतं, इकडे घेणं सोपं पडतं. कारण इकडे गेल्यानंतर तो something raised to 1 by 2 येणार. इकडे घेणं सोपं पडतं. So do you get the answer? Or just multiply by minus sign. Both sides. Just multiply by minus sign. That's the simple one. So just multiply by minus sign. We got the minus log 1 by 8 minus 1 upon 20 log 1 by 2 t. So why we add the minus sign? Because we got the log 8 1 by 20 log 2 times t. So we got the t is equal to just simplification. T is equal to log 8 at 20 divided by log 2. So just we calculate t is equal to, yes, t is equal to, just we calculate using the ln. Use the calculator in ln, not log. 20 into log 8 किती येते? Total answer सांगा मला. ln 8 चं and total answer सांगा. T is equal to किती minute? T is equal
60.
to, okay, 60 minutes na? 60 minutes. Clear everyone? Hello? Put Madhuri. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So just write down. क्वेश्चन घ्या. बरोबर ना. तो काय म्हणते विचार की तुझं काय म्हणते. झालंय का पुढे जायचं पुढच्या पेजला. हॅलो पुढच्या पेजला जाऊ का मित्रांनो. अरे पुढच्या पेजला जाऊ का रे मित्रांनो.
1 minute sir.
ओके. झालंय का.
Yes sir.
येस सर.
ओके मग कधी सांगणार. ओके मॅडम. Third, water at temperature. Water at temperature 100 degrees centigrade cools in 10 minutes to 88 degrees centigrade. in a room, temperature 25 degrees centigrade. Find the temperature of water after 20 minutes. Answer 77.92 degrees centigrade. Fourth one, a body originally at 80 degrees centigrade cools to 60 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes. The temperature of the air being 40 degrees centigrade, what will be the temperature of the body after 40 minutes? After 40 minutes from the start. Answer 50 degrees centigrade. 50 degrees centigrade. Let's solve this two example. This two example for your homework. Just two example for homework. Okay. So this is the end of Newton's law of cooling. Just straightforward, because already this example, this Newton's law of cooling, already we are studying the 12th standard in physics. Okay. Okay. So yesterday I will share one PDF to you. That is assignment number 1. Just solve this example. I think 2 or 3 example for hard for you. We discuss later on. Means we discuss on tomorrow or Wednesday. Okay. We try to solve that difficult problem. Not actually difficult problem. It's just a tricky or just a that we do not discuss it. That we solve that example. And please, everyone, after completion with detailed solution, please upload that file with that link only. Do not send to my personal WhatsApp. Please do not send. Already my WhatsApp or my mobile number is full. So that's why I'm make that link. Okay. So any problem? No. Okay. So just these two example for your homework. Go at home. Okay. झाले सगळ्यांचं? Okay, so we stop here. Thank you for connecting. If any problem